I've heard you're a bit tired of everyday life. Do you want to go somewhere? Just wait a minute. I will show you something. I think I know one place where you can truly escape. Sometimes every single one of us needs to go somewhere where it's possible to take time, to simply be, to rest in the silence and to embrace the present moment. When we are out there, a simple walk can give us an opportunity to learn about other people, and to gain a deeper understanding of what is important, how others live, what they do for a living. Problems they are dealing with. Sometimes we find peace simply by doing what other people like to do. From time to time, we just have to be with nature. It can draw us away from the trappings of modern life into the beauty and mystery of the natural world. Sometimes everything we need is to find some time to live.